Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. An EIN is like a social security number for your business, essential for tax purposes and many legal operations. Understanding the application process is crucial for new business owners. We'll cover the steps to ensure you can secure your EIN efficiently and correctly, setting your business up for success from the start. Before applying, it's important to know if your business needs an EIN. Generally, if you have employees, operate as a corporation or partnership, or are a multi-member LLC, an EIN is required. You'll need your own Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number to apply. The person applying, known as the responsible party, must be an individual with control over the entity. There are several ways to apply for your EIN. The most common and fastest method is online through the IRS website, where you receive your EIN immediately. Alternatively, you can mail or fax Form SS4, though these methods take longer, typically 4 to 5 weeks for mail. International applicants without a legal residence in the United States can apply by phone, ensuring accessibility for all. Once you've applied, the waiting time for your EIN varies by method. Online applications are processed instantly, providing your EIN right away. If you apply by fax, expect to receive your EIN within about 4 business days. For mail applications, the process can take up to 4 to 5 weeks. Always keep your official EIN confirmation letter in a safe place for your business records.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.